Hi, in this video I want to show you how to back up your iPhone. For that, we are going to start with opening settings and scrolling to the top to see Apple account information. Now tap it once and find iCloud in the list. So from here, if you need to do a backup of your iPhone's data, then go ahead and select iCloud Backup and make sure that those two sections are turned on. So you can back up your iPhone and backup over cellular. Then you will see all device backups, last successful backup information, and size of backups. So if you want to back up your phone right now, then go ahead and tap on blue option Backup Now. If you are doing it for the first time, then it may take a lot of time depending on the amount of data in your phone. But when you're not doing it for the first time and this is your second, third, fourth time and so on, then it will back up really quickly. But the key moment is that you need to have enough iCloud space to perform backup. So in that case, if you have a lot of gigabytes, then you will need to upgrade to iCloud Plus, which is non-free option, because by default we get only 5 gigabytes of iCloud and that is clearly not enough to perform backup of all devices' data. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.